I'm out for a little wild camp tonight. I'm not on my own this time. I came back out with Martin from Soul Trail. We've just set up down here in the Galties. I've never been up this side. This is a little gem that Martin shared with me. I brought my tarp out because I wanted to try something different. So this is the setup for tonight. It looks like a bit of a mess in there, but it's all in order. I'm absolutely starving Marvin, so I wouldn't mind an old bop. I just come over for a little snaky look at Martin's setup. He has the Lanshan 1. It's the 2021 version, so it has a separate 4-season inner. He has some really nice black diamond trekking poles. I'm actually quite jealous of his trekking poles. He's got these absolutely savage little tent pegs, and he's got a really nice way to hold down the door, because the door in the Lanshans can be quite high at the bottom, so it's a nice little setup that he has. He's using the X-Term, and I believe he has a Sea to Summit sleeping bag. So yeah, nice little setup. Same colour as mine, can't go wrong with khaki. Myself and Martin are up here getting the tea sorted. I'm trying the X-Bile with the Trangia stoves just to see how it goes. And yeah, we're going to get some food on the go then. We've just spent the last 4 hours talking. It was nice chilling out, just shooting the breeze, as you say. Plenty of cups of tea. Martin got onto the Guinness, so I thought, you know, before he gets a bit rowdy, we'll pack it up for the night. But yeah, it was really good, just chilling and having a few cups of tea. I did check out the traditional alcohol stove with the X-Bile. And because the pot had to sit a bit higher, I just felt like it didn't boil it very fast. So I reverted back to the safety burner that comes with the X-Bile, and it worked absolutely perfect. You can probably see Martin's tent up there. He's just getting settled up for the night. I'm also a little bit worried because the tarp is on a slight angle towards the river, so I'm hoping that I won't slide out and just end up with, like, you know, my feet dangling in the river tonight. It's meant to be a little bit ropey in the morning, 40km/h winds with heavy rain, so hopefully the tarp holds up. And yeah, I'll see you in the morning. I had a fairly alright sleep last night. I kept waking up because I was sliding out of the tarp. I thought I was going to end up in the river. So my trekking pole was under quite a bit of pressure last night, trying to hold up the tarp and me. As you can probably tell, it's pretty windy out. I did put up another guy line on the side because all the wind is coming in from this side, and this pole was just sliding out, so that guy line has made a massive difference. I did see a fox last night after we wrapped everything up, and he was just kind of looking at me from a distance, so I was a bit worried about him like sneaking in, especially with the smell of the bacon and all that from cooking last night. Like I had the pan and all in here, so yeah, I was a bit worried about him paying me a visit in the night. Yeah, looking forward to an old bath and a cup of tea, a very well earned cup of tea. I have to say this is the first time I'm using this head torch. It's really, really bright, but the headband is, you know, it's pretty tight on my head, and you'd feel it there, like you'd know it was there. Whereas the other head torch, you just completely forget it's even on your head. You'd whip your hat off and all, and the head torch would just go flying. It's really bright, like it's amazing how bright it is. It's 1200 lumens. I'm delighted I brought the tarp. I just couldn't face getting into me Abisko again. I'm happy with the old tarp. Did well, and that little lantern, that lasts all night. Well, I had it turned off when I was asleep, but that was on the whole time we were up there talking. It's a great little thing. It's only like £6 off AliExpress. I've seen people selling the exact same one for about 20 quid, so don't get screwed. It's a bit blustery out here this morning. Martin's just been down, so I'm going to go up and see what he's at. Oh Jesus. Martin's just getting packed up here. How'd you get on last night?
Good night's sleep.
Yeah?
I woke up freezing though. The sleeping bag was the opposite way around, and there's more down on the top.
Yeah.
That's my excuse anyway.
I saw your tent last night, it was all lit up red.
Was it?
I won't ask any questions.
Oh, don't worry. Did you hear the music, Barry White, you know?
No, I didn't know.
Yeah, from your radio.
You slept alright anyway?
Had a good night's sleep.
Yeah.
Took a while to get to sleep, but had earplugs, didn't you?
I did, yeah. It's only about, what, 20 past 7?
Something like that. Jason's an early riser.
I'd use that setup again on the tarp, but I'd lower down the poles, just so it wasn't a big massive side on it.
Oh, I get you, yeah.
Because if you look at your Lanshan, there's a nice drop off, like, you know.
I didn't get much condensation last night. That's what I was expecting, like.
See, it's so windy.
Oh, well, that's true.
And you're up on the hill as well. I'm dipped down and I'm getting enough wind down there, but you would have got more than me.
Yeah, I had my last can of Guinness in bed last night.
Oh, did you?
I didn't drink it all, I poured half of it out. I did every sip, I was thinking, oh jeez, I'm going to be up pissing all night.
I was going to have another cup of tea and I thought, no, I'll just leave it, because I'll have to climb out there in the middle of the night.
It's just anything I got from this camp, it's get powdered milk.
Yeah.
Jason and his powdered milk.
Tesco's finest. Martin's just doing tea for two now. Have a little audience over here. I think we're disturbing their morning routine. What a stunning little place to spend a few hours. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. Had a really good night last night. Nice cup of tea there this morning. And the weather wasn't as bad as we thought it was going to be. We're still fairly soaked. We're going to get ourselves over here. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'll see you in the next one.